Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have b divided by 8 is equals to b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And in the first method, here we need to move this 8 to the right hand side, and you see that this 8 is divided by b. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by b. So after moving this 8 to the right hand side, it will be written as b is equals to 8 times of b. So further in the next step, we need to move this b from left hand side to the right hand side. So it is positive b. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see here, these are the two variable terms, same variable terms. So we know that if we subtract two same variable terms, we need to subtract the coefficients of both of these terms. So the coefficient of this term is 8 and the coefficient of this term is -1. So we subtract here 8 minus 1, and we obtained 8 minus 1 becomes 7 times of b is equals to 0. And further, for the values of b, we need to remove this 7 from left hand side. For this, we divide both of the sides by 7. So when we divide both of the sides by 7, it will becomes here in this form. And now you clearly see that this 7 is cancelled out by this 7, and we will get here b is equals to, this is 0 divided by 7 becomes 0. We know that when we divide 0 with any other number, it is always get the 0 answer. So from first method, we will get here the value of b is equals to 0, and in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of b is satisfied our given question statement or not, or in other words, we check that is this value of b be the solution or extraneous root. Further, we substitute this value into the left hand side or right hand side as well. So after substituting this value on both of the sides, we will get here 0 divided by 8 is equals to 0. And we know about that when we divide 0 with any other number, it is always get 0 equals to 0. This means that both of the sides are equal. So we conclude about that b is equals to 0 is satisfied over this question statement. So we finally conclude about the solution set of the given question is that 0 be the solution set of this problem. So here this is our first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is b divided by 8 is equals to b. And in the second method, I can just give you another technique in which you can also get the roots of this equation. So I hope so you like both of these methods, and in this technique we need to move this b to the left hand side. So this is a positive b. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes negative b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in this method, you see here the denominator of this term is 8. We need to make the denominator of this term is also 8. For this, we need to multiply and divide this term by 8 in order to make the denominator of both of these two terms are same. Okay, so that here you see both of these two denominators are same, so that we will take LCM is 8, and when we divide this 8 by this 8, we will get here 1, and 1 times of b is equals to b minus this 8 is cancelled out by this 8, and we get 1, and 1 times of 8b is equals to 8b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we have this is b minus 8b, and b minus 8b becomes here 7b divided by 8 is equals to 0. And because here our target is to find the values of b, so that we need to move this 8 to the right hand side. For this we multiply both of the sides by 8. So you see here this 8 is cancelled out by this 8, and we will get here minus 7b is equals to, this is 0 times of 8 becomes 0. And for the values of b, we divide both of the sides by minus 7. So when we divide both of the sides by minus 7, each of these terms, it will becomes here in this form. This minus 7 is cancelled out by this minus 7, and we will obtain here b is equals to 0 divided by minus 7 becomes 0. So you see here in the second method we already get that the value of b is equals to 0. So on both of these methods we will get here the same values of b. So we also verify in the first method is that b is equals to 0 satisfied our given question. So we finally conclude about the solution set of this question is that b is equals to 0 be the solution set of this problem. And this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.